Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox controller to Call of Duty Mobile. First, confirm your Xbox wireless controller is either an Xbox One or Series XS model, as these are officially supported. Also, make sure your mobile device has Bluetooth version 4.0 or newer. A fully charged controller ensures uninterrupted gameplay, so check its battery level before starting. Now, let's pair your controller. Begin by opening your mobile device's settings and turning on Bluetooth. Then, grab your Xbox controller and press and hold the small sync button, usually located near the USB port, until the Xbox button starts flashing rapidly. On your phone or tablet, look for Xbox Wireless Controller in the list of available devices and tap to connect. The light on your controller should become solid once paired. With your controller successfully paired, open Call of Duty Mobile. Once in the game's main menu, tap the gear icon, usually in the top right corner, to access the settings. Within the settings, find and select the Controller tab. Here, you will see an option to enable controller support. Make sure this is toggled on to activate your Xbox controller for gameplay. Remember, while your controller works for in-match gameplay, you will still need to use touch controls for navigating most menus and loadout screens. Also, Call of Duty Mobile matches controller players with other controller players, ensuring a balanced experience. Take advantage of the in-game controller settings to customize your button layout and adjust sensitivity for both multiplayer and battle royale modes, optimizing your precision and movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.